Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be doing BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 9. BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 9. What is the population density of 2 million lizards living in a 10,000 kilometer area? What is the population density of 2 million lizards living in a 10,000 kilometer area? A, you have 0.002, B, 0.200, C 0.020, and D 200.0, which is 200. Now you know this involves calculation, so first of all we need to know the formula for calculating the population density.
There's somebody that brought application yesterday.
Now population
How few people updated it?
density
Blessing.
is equal
The
to
person that brought
the total population.
You didn't tell Emmanuel about it. Somebody brought application
All over
yesterday.
the
You didn't tell
total
Emmanuel
area.
about it. Huh?
Now we have 2,000 and 2 million lizards
Tell him so that he
living
updates
in a
their
10,000
application.
kilometer area. So we have 2 million lizards living in a 10,000 kilometer area. So what do? We divide. 0 we cancel 0, this 0 we cancel this 0, this 0 we cancel this 0, and this we cancel this. So we are left with what? We are left with 200. So our population density of 2 million lizards living in a 10,000 kilometer area is 200, which is D. So D is our final answer, 200. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.